Hi everyone! Today we're painting the eye of a hummingbird, small, glossy, and full of life. Let's get started. Step 1. Sketching the eye. Start by lightly sketching the outline with a pencil or by tracing. Hummingbirds' eyes are usually round, shiny, and have white reflections. We can leave some space for highlights, or use a white pen making highlights at the end. Step 2. First wash. Light base. Grab a round brush, number 4 or 6, whichever you like. Now, paint a neutral color with a teal and ultramarine. I've included the color details in the comments below. Look at reference photo for guideline also. I use a bit thick of Payne's gray to draw the black eyes and around the eyelid. Step 3. Building depth. After the first coat dries, add a darker color, like mixing a dark gray and applying it the black eyes and around the eyes. Then use black to draw along the edge of the eyes to create shadows. As a reference, the top of the eye is a bit darker than the bottom. Step 4. Enhancing shadows and reflections. Use dark watercolor such as dark gray or black mixed with blue. Paint around the black of the eye to make it look dimensional and blend it well. You will get a blue-black line. This method will not make the color dull. We will see the color around the black of the eye that will be green-yellow. It is the base color reflected in the eyes. We use the mixed colors, which are yellow and blue that we have. Mix the color to get green. With this method, we can adjust the color to be yellow or greenish. Use the tip of the brush to gently blend in the first layer. Then gradually add color. For the second layer, use ultramarine to cover the color. Slowly use the brush to blend the colors together. You will notice that we will use a brush that is dipped in only a small amount of color. Lightly around the edges and gradually add color to blend. We will adjust the intensity according to the situation and add gray-black around the eyelids again. This will create shadows and make the eyes deeper and more dimensional. Gradually use a brush to blend the colors together. You will notice that we will use a brush that is only slightly dipped in color. Use gold to slightly overlap the green. Now, the eyes have more color and dimension. Next, around the outer edges, use purple blue, which is a mixture of ultramarine and magenta. I preferred more purple, my favorite color shade. In this stage, we'll be adding color. The more you process your eye and brain, the more vibrant the colors will become. You'll be amazed at the results. Step 5. Final step. Adding details and final the highlight. Refine the edges with delicate blending and add soft touch. Using a tiny brush, lift out some paint from the highlight area if needed. For an extra pop, add a tiny dot of white gouache or gel pen to create a bright reflection. Done! A lively hummingbird eye. If you want to learn more about painting other animals in watercolor and acrylic, join me on Patreon for more fun projects that you can follow step by step. We will have exclusive video every month. And if you're also passionate about art, be sure to check out my podcast Behind the Brush, where we talk about history, famous artists, and art from all eras. Listen anytime, anywhere. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. See you soon.